All right, I'm gonna walk you through problem H here. These are the problems you're gonna be solving. Just to kind of in case you get stuck, I thought I would take what most people would probably consider one of the more difficult ones and just kind of walk you through it. So for this one, we have x squared plus 4y equals 2 times 3x minus 6 minus x plus x squared. So all we're doing here, it's basically just solving equations. And we're solving equations this time for y. You gotta watch for the variable they're asking for. So first off, I want to combine like terms, and that would also go along with the order of operations and distributing. So I can see right here, I have a negative x and a 3x inside my parentheses. So that would be probably my first step, just to simplify that piece of it. So that would give me 2x minus 6 plus x squared. Then I'm going to distribute. Oops. Make sure you distribute to both of the terms inside the parentheses, another easy mistake to make. And then we're just going to simplify. So I want to keep a y by itself on the left side. So first I'm going to get rid of this. This will zero out, and actually this will zero out. So now I have 4y equals 4x minus 12. So I'm really close to being done, except I'm supposed to solve for y and not for 4y. So my last step is going to be, I need to divide this by 4, so I just am left with y. If I divide this side of the equation by 4, I have to divide this side of the equation by 4. And that'll leave me with x minus 3. And then that is my solution. On this page right here, but